Do you enjoy movies? Because AMC just released a new Visa credit card, and I just got pre-qualified knowing my pre-qualification limit up front with a soft pull pre-approval, and I got qualified for $7,000. And you can too, because this card will show you your pre-qualified credit limit before you fully apply for the card. And you can qualify with lower credit scores for this credit card. So this can be a great credit builder card. And if you've been following my information, you can increase your credit score on average by 50 points without removing one negative item if you're under a 700 credit score, adding on a new credit card line. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, at my website, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package, and I have other removal packages for purchase for your negative items. And if you need my help one-on-one, I do offer credit coaching, and I will leave all these links in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, the AMC Entertainment Visa credit card is a credit card that offers you rewards and points for AMC movies and entertainment. So this is a great card, especially if you and your family love family outings of going to the movies. You can earn points for tickets and concessions. This card allows you to turn your everyday purchases into movie rewards. New card holders enjoy the AMC $50 stub bonus bucks. Now, with these bonus bucks, you can treat yourself to movie snacks and you can use it towards tickets. But you must use these $50 worth of bonus bucks in the first 3 months of you opening this card. Also, you can earn a free large popcorn every month with new card holders who spend $250 or more each month. Receive a complimentary large popcorn. Keep it up for your initial 6 months and you can collect up to 6 rewards. The offer will be loaded into your account the following month. Now, you can earn 50 points on AMC theater purchases, 20 points on dining, grocery, and gas, 10 points on all other categories. Now, in order to apply for this AMC Visa credit card, you must be a stub member, and it is free for you to sign up, but it also allows you to rack up points even faster as a stub member, where if you're an A-list premier card holder, you can get up to 150 points on AMC purchases, dining and grocery and gas, 20 points, and all other purchases, 10 points. So this can help you even get more rewards out of your card. And another great feature of this card, there is no annual fee. And because it's a Visa card, you can use this card anywhere to help you rack up these points. Some data points on this card: it is underwritten by Celtic Bank, so you can qualify with a lower credit score of a 640 credit score, and they should be pulling from your Experian credit profile. But it does depend sometime on different regions that you're located in. They may use another bureau. Now, even if your credit score is under that 640 credit score, you can still see if you pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. It's a soft inquiry pull to pre-qualify for this card, so you can take a chance to see if you pre-qualify. Now, by pre-qualifying, it will not affect your credit score, and they will show you your predetermined pre-qualified credit limit. But keep in mind, if you decide to take the card, it will result in a hard inquiry. So keep that in mind. If you decide to take it and proceed, it's not 100%, but you have a 80% chance of being approved for the card. So when you start the application, they're going to have you to enter in your cell phone number and they're going to send you a verification code. Once you entered your verification code, you need to create a AMC Stubs account in order to qualify. It's absolutely free. Once you click on create a AMC Stub account, you will fill in this information to start your account. Once you finish the process of setting up your stub account, then you can go back to your application for your visa. Then you want to enter in the email that you created the stub account with. Then they will send a verification code to that email. Now you can begin to fill out your application and you can hit get started. Then you would enter in your first and last name. Then you would check the box and hit the arrow to continue. Then enter your date of birth. Then your address information. Then choose the option that best fit your primary source of income. You have your option to put annual or monthly income. Then they want to know what's your current living situation, whether you own or rent. Then they want to know how much do you pay for your living expenses. Then you will enter in your full Social Security number. Remember, once again, this will not impact your credit score. It will be a soft pull. So submitting the application at this point in time will still be a soft pull. After this, it'll show you your pre-approved credit limit. For me, it was $7,000. Now, if you choose to continue on with this application, it will resort at this point to a hard inquiry pull. If you don't like what you see, then you don't have to take it. So no harm and no foul. But if you continue on with the application, it will result into a hard pull. And it's not 100% guaranteed. You have a 80 to 90% approval rate at that point. But keep in mind, it is still not 100% guaranteed. So if this information was helpful, make sure if you have questions, you put your questions and your comments in the comment section. If you have more private questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go to my cell phone. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.